Metrically is an aggregated dashboard that helps you better manage your business through metrics. With Metrically, you can keep track of data from many different data sources like Google Analytics, Salesforce, Twitter, Facebook, Etsy, and many more, all in one place with one set of tools. In our last tutorial, we set up a Google Analytics Basics dashboard for Acme widgets. We will pick up where that tutorial ended and show you how we can easily add additional data sources and create new graphs and dashboards with a mix of data. In this case, let's connect the data from Acme Widget's Etsy store. To start, we will go to the company settings page where we can see a list of available data sources. You can see that Google Analytics is already connected. And as we scroll down, we will choose to add a connection using the Etsy data source. Now we are prompted to log into Etsy and grant permission for Metrically to access our store data. Now that we're successfully connected to Etsy, Metrically will ask if we'd like to add the Etsy sales metric dashboard. Most of the time we would use the starting templates, but in this example, let's create a new dashboard from scratch. When we click on the dashboard link at the top of the page, we will see our default dashboard, and we can add a new one by clicking on the new dashboard link. This time we will start with a blank dashboard, call it Store Sales, and give it a short description. Looking at the top of the page, we can see we've just created our store sales dashboard. Now we want to add a graph to track our Etsy store sales. We select Add Graph, give the graph a title, Store Sales, then select Add New Metric. From the metric dropdown, we can choose from our connected data sources, and the metrics they provide are listed below. From Etsy, we can see metrics for things like average sales price, items sold, listings, favorites, and many more. Here we choose Total Sales and select Save. The first time we load this data, this may take a little while, but then we will see a graph of our total Etsy sales. Now that we've connected multiple data sources, it's easy to see the data in one place and even in the same graph. So if we wanted to track our store page views alongside our store sales, we click on Edit Graph, add a new metric, select Page Views from the Google Analytics section, save, and we're done. Now currently we're looking at this data as a daily total for the last month, but sometimes it's easier to view the data in larger chunks. So if we click Edit Graph, we can select a different date range, say 3 months, and roll up the data so we're viewing weekly totals. This concludes our introduction to Metrically tutorial. Please see our other tutorials to learn more about Metrically features, and if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us via email at support@metrically.com. Thank you.